Welcome to week 7. As you see, you're working on your case study review and reviewing the information I've posted here. I was able to post part of the chapters, but you will need to go to the CBU library site as well because I couldn't post all of them this time around. After reading the chapter and watching the videos, write a paragraph or two on unethical journalism. I've posted here a couple of cases for you. One is Susan Rogan, poster girl for unethical journalism, and another is on highlights from truth in the internet age. So these will be interesting for you. There are many cases of unethical journalism. Stephen Glass is a big one, but many others as well. But we're just looking at that concept and that, I guess, the historical context of people who have been unethical journalists. So take a look at those, and that's your discussion board. Then you are working on your critical assignment and presentation, and I'll speak about that in just a moment. Your writing assignment is on features. You've got a resource PowerPoint here to review as you work on that. I'm going to move to the next week so we can look at the critical assignment with more detail, and I want to encourage you to please reach out to me if you have any questions about it. So your critical assignment is looking at the journalism world in the sense of a journalism impact report. So what you will be creating is a 5 to 7 page paper on a person who has impacted the field of journalism or media writing. And this can be a reporter, a blogger, a newspaper editor, a publisher, YouTuber, an influencer even, who perhaps influences regarding brands or certain products or passions. So you're looking for a person that you will be writing a brief biographical history of their journey on. And what contributions have they made would be important. Were the contributions positive or negative? And giving some examples, evaluating it. And then I'd like you to record a voice thread or YouTube 5 to 7 minute presentation explaining your paper. So I'm leaving this open for creative interpretation because depending on the person you cover or whether they are a journalist or a media writer, or if they happen to be a blogger or YouTuber, it could be quite different. So what I want you to do is give the brief biographical history that you can find by researching online and explain what helped them to be successful and kind of give us, some of the highlights of their career or their passions and what they do. And so by doing this and by posting the presentation so that your course mates can see them, and then you will all respond to 2 course mates, we'll be able to share that information, and the learning should be rich and very informative. The critical assignment for the rubric is here, and this honestly is based on what we have set up for our program with WASC. And it really basically what I'm looking for is a well-written paper in APA style, and that you are looking to cover the media industry application. Faith integration can be as simple as including a scripture or a inspirational quote that perhaps you think applies to the person that you're covering. Now, to submit this assignment, we are now using TaskStream, so there's instructions for that. And so you'll need to read through those and take a look at it. Definitely read this student instruction list. It'll save you problems if you do that as well. So that is your week 8. And I just cannot believe this summer course, session E1, has just flown by so quickly. But I want to encourage you now to finish strong and to go ahead and do your week 7 work and then immediately begin on week 8. At this time, it's good to work ahead. I encourage you to get your assignments in by week 8, Friday, if possible, but I will allow through Sunday midnight, as I know sometimes life presses in and it's hard to get it in any sooner than that. Now, remember, as I've said before, I'm a prayer warrior. I'm here to pray for you should you have any prayer requests or to provide feedback to you on your idea for your project or any of the assignments. God bless. Have a great week.